another waitlist you don't need to miss. In this video guys, I will show you and guide you on how you'll be able to join this particular airdrop that is coming up as soon as possible. So this is solo waitlist. I'm going to be guiding you. If you click on the link below in the description of this video, it will bring you down to my Telegram here. Over here, you are going to copy this link. This is the link. I'm taking it to my browser. I will be using Mrs. Browser to run the airdrop. Click on this place. You'll be able to paste this link. You just copy it, and when you paste, load the site. So the site is going to open. This is the official website, projectsolo.xyz. Now this is how it's going to look like. Redefining Web3 trust with AI. So scrolling down, you see all that information, you see all that mission. You can see their team behind this project down here. So scroll down, you'll be able to get all this information about this particular project. Now this is all for now. You can see here, you can join from here, or if you come up here, you'll be able to see where to join waitlist. So what you are going to do is to go ahead, click on this particular join waitlist. So when you click on it, it's going to load to Google Docs. This is where you are going to fill all your information. Now you can see, you can select email you would like to use. It's required to answer these questions with red. So any question here indicating red is very, very important to answer it. Now the first one here is put your email address, enter your Edit20 wallet address. This is Telegram handle. It's optional. You may decide to put it or you allow it to remain empty. And the last one here is Telegram X, which is Twitter account. It's optional. You can put it or allow it to remain empty. But in this video guys, I'm going to fill all these details because it's necessary to fill them. They may use it to reward you. So what we'll do first is we'll put email here. You can choose the email you want to use. I go ahead and put an email I'm going to be using. This is where to put my wallet. I will open my wallet, which is I'm using MetaMask. Open my MetaMask wallet just like this. Okay, now copy this address. I just copy my address. I haven't copied the address. I will paste it where they want me to answer. Now I've done email and address. The next option here is going to be putting my Telegram username. You can quickly rush to your Telegram if you don't have the Telegram username offhand. So I'm going to open my Telegram and copy the username. This is my Telegram username right here. So I can just copy this username. Now I will paste it here. So I'm also using the same thing on my X account. So I'm using these two things on my X and Telegram. Now you can see I fill the details correctly. If you don't want to use this email, you can switch it over. Now I have filled the detail. I will then go ahead and submit. Okay, your response has been recorded. So that is, they have received your record. Your form is now on the wait list. So you expect any response on your email as soon as possible. That is all you have to do for now. You are just going to invite your friends as well so that they will also participate and earn from this particular airdrop. If you have any other question, please go ahead and drop your question at the comment section. I will be glad to answer all the necessary questions you ask, or you can follow them on their social media. I will make all this available in the comment section. You'll get them in the description, sorry. So share the video, give me a thumbs up for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.